Welcome back to Let's Roll Out, ladies and gentlemen. In part one, we touched on the 320 xDrive, the look, the feel, the drive. In this part two, we're going to be looking at the warranties. It is always something for people to consider who are looking to buy a premium vehicle. Today, hopefully we can give you some insight and questions to ask before you make that purchase. Thanks for joining us once again, and as always, let's roll out. Let's talk about warranties. Buying a pre-owned vehicle, you need and you want to have that comfort and peace of mind. And that's where an aftermarket warranty, or if you're buying it from a BMW dealership, warranty comes in. I would advise you to ask a few questions. Take the warranty home, call the company, and do some homework. There's a few things you want to know, especially if you're buying a BMW. Ask them, can your car be serviced at a BMW dealership? Most of them will say yes. Now, don't stop there. Ask them, do they pay the cost of the labor and for the parts? If they're honest, they will tell you yes, but they will also go on to tell you some more. Some warranty companies will only pay up to the cost price for parts and the cost at a small shop labor. Most small shop labors today only goes up to about $90 an hour or $95 an hour. Something else you should ask them, do they cover the cost, full cost of the replacing part? Again, if they're honest enough, they will tell you they only cover up to the cost price for a part. Most businesses are in business to make some money, and there's absolutely nowhere you can find a part at cost price. There is a markup margin in there. I am saying this based upon prior experience. Now, I've been driving BMWs for the past 19 years, and I just wanted to pass some of this along to you. I've also purchased vehicles from BMW dealerships, and here's the contrast. In the past, they had the certified series warranty that came with every pre-owned vehicle as you purchased them. That has since changed. Now, the new system BMW has implemented to compete with the side or the smaller lots. Now you would find the equivalent price for a car almost the same of that on a small lot. The difference is now, in the past where you had the warranty included in your price, now you have to buy them separately. From the 3 Series all the way to the 7 Series, and the price starts at about $1,400. For the 3 Series and up to $11,000 for the 7, depending on how much coverage you would like. So BMW is able to tailor make your warranty to you. Now, here's where the difference is. If anything should go wrong, you can be rest assured to drive your car into any BMW dealership and have your work done. The nice thing about it too is, well, you are able to have a loaner vehicle at a very small cost when you drop your vehicle off. The convenience and the peace of mind. Do your homework. Ask the right questions to get to the answers that you need. Make sure they cover the cost of the parts and the full cost of the labor if you're buying an aftermarket warranty. If you are not comfortable, I would advise you to pay the little bit of a difference that you would pay at a BMW dealership and get that peace of mind. Thank you for joining us here in Let's Roll Out. And I hope that the information given to you are able to answer some questions that you may have about purchasing an aftermarket warranty.